said I'd never make it out. They said I'd never make it out. But I was never meant to stay stuck. I was meant to rise.
Same streets that broke me built my strength. I stopped chasing fast money and started chasing purpose.
Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I generated all this video using a particular application. The first thing you are going to do is try as much as possible to watch these videos to an end for you to get the logic for unlimited generation of your images. So you go to your ChatGPT for the prompt. Once you generated your prompt with your ChatGPT, yes, after you've gotten your prompt ready, the next thing is to get it done. That is, bring the text to image by using a particular app, which is Grok. Go to Play Store, download Grok, then open Grok. After opening it, the next thing is pick Imagine up there. After picking Imagine, paste in your prompts. Once you paste your prompt, boom, it will come to reality. That is, once you paste the prompt you copy from ChatGPT, the Grok itself will turn it to image, like 6-7 images. You just pick the one you want. After picking it, then you download. You generate another one. If it is 5, if it is 20, if it is 30, you keep generating them like that. Then you download everything. After downloading all the images you've generated from Grok, you can as well don't download, but the best thing is to download. Then you now re-upload it, because we are using the same Grok for the image to video. So you now upload it, then you tell Grok what you want the pictures to do. It's as simple as that. If you want the pictures to move, if you want the picture to say a particular word, you just tell Grok. And before you know, it will start generating your video for you. In the twinkling of an eye, the video will be ready. Can you now see this one now? It was running etch-a-sketcher in the city saying a particular word, as in the word was typed, and before you know, it generated the video. Even if you did not type anything, it will just generate any random video for you.
They said I'd never make it out. They said I'd never make it out. But I was never meant to stay stuck. I was meant to rise. They said I'd never make it out. They said I'd never make it out. But I was never meant to stay stuck. I was meant to rise.
To this one also, I'm going to upload. I have to inform Grok that I want this man to be giving speech. The same thing applicable to this multi-scene. I told the Grok that I want different scene to be displaying and be doing the same thing, as in to be doing different thing with the same character. You can see now. So that is how it is very easy for you to generate. It's as simple as ABC. You get it now. So all these 3-4 scenes now will be displaying, doing different things at the same time with just a prompt. The first thing displaying at once. Can you now see? It generates and they start, appearing, start doing different things. It's as simple. You just have to download your Grok. Once you download Grok, you open an account with them. One thing is that for you to get unlimited, that is, for you to be able to be using this thing continuously, the best thing you have to do is have several emails. Yes, that is, once you are done, maybe you've generated like 50 or 100 from an email, then he said, okay, you should subscribe. You just log that one out, then you log in another one. It's as simple as that. With that, you can generate unlimited, and after 24 hours, there's something will correct itself. You get it now. You can start using the former email again. So, which video are you trying today? Let me see your hand in the comment section. And if you have any issue generating any video, let me see your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to press the link to the app. Thanks for watching.